Hello, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x plus y is equal to 4, x power 5 plus y power 5 is equals to 464. To find the values of x and y from these two systems of equations. Now, in the first step, we'll start by letting this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Then, from equation 1, we will square in both sides. So from this first equation, it will be x plus y is equal to 4. Then we square in both sides. So to expand x plus y bracket square, it is x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 4 square is 16. Then we take these 2xy into the right side. So it will be x square plus y square is equal to 16 minus 2xy. So from this equation, we'll let this as equation 3. Then in the next step, from this first equation, in this first step, we square on both sides. In the second step, we'll power by 3 in both sides. So it will be x plus y is equal to 4. Then we power by 3 in both sides. So to expand x plus y bracket power of 3, it is x power of 3 plus y power of 3 plus 3x square y plus 3xy square is equal to 4 power of 3 is 64. Then it will be x power of 3 plus y power of 3 plus, in here 3xy is common, so we take out of bracket. This divided by this is x plus this divided by this is y, bracket is equal to 64. Then in the next step, from this equation, in here x plus y is from the first equation, which is equal to 4. So in here we substitute 4. Then it will be x power of 3 plus y power of 3 plus 3xy times this, which is 4, is equal to 64. Then it will be x power of 3 plus y power of 3 plus this times this is 12xy is equal to 64. Then we take this into the right side. So it will be x power of 3 plus y power of 3 is equal to 64, then minus 12xy. So this will let us equation 4. Now from this x power of 3 plus y power of 3, x power of 2, y power of 2, we multiply this equation 3 times equation 4. So as we can get x power of 5 plus y power of 5. So we'll take equation 3 times equation 4. Now in equation 3, in the left side, it is x square plus y square. So it will be x square plus y square bracket. Equation 4, in the left side, it is x power of 3 plus y power of 3 bracket is equal to equation 3. In the right side, it is 16 minus 2xy. So in here it will be 16 minus 2xy bracket times equation 4. In the right side, it is 64 minus 12xy bracket. Then to multiply x power of 2 times x power of 3, it is x power of 5 plus x power of 2 times y power of 3, it is x power of 2 y power of 3 plus y power of 2 times x power of 3, it is x power of 3 y power of 2 plus y power of 2 times y power of 3, it is y power of 5 is equal to this times this, which is 16 minus 2xy bracket 64 minus 12xy bracket. Then it will be this x power of 5 plus this y power of 5 plus, in this and this, x square y square is common, so we'll take out of bracket, then this divided by this is x plus this divided by this is y, bracket is equal to 16 minus 2xy, bracket 64 minus 12xy, bracket. Then in the next step, from here x power of 5 plus y power of 5 is from the second equation, which is this 464. So in here we'll substitute 464, then plus x square y square, then times x plus y is from the first equation, which is equal to 4, then is equal to this, which is 16 minus 2xy, bracket 64 minus 12xy, bracket. Then in the next step, from here 4 is common, so we'll take 4 out of bracket. This divided by 4, it is 1, here 1, left 2, 24 divided by 4 is 6, plus this divided by this is this, x square y square, bracket is equal to 16 minus 2xy, bracket. Then from here we can take 4 out of bracket, so we'll take 4 out of bracket. This divided by this is here to be 1, 2, 24 divided by 4 is 16, minus this 12xy divided by 4 is 3xy, bracket. Then to simplify, this 4 will cancel with this 4, so it will be 116 plus, in here it is x square y square is same as xy, bracket square, is equal to 16 minus 2xy, bracket, then bracket 16 minus 3xy, bracket. Then in the next step, from here we can see xy is common, so we will let u is equal to xy, so it will be 116 plus xy is u, so it will be u square, then is equal to 16 minus 2u, bracket 16 minus 3u, bracket. Then in the next step, it will be 116 plus u square is equal to this times this is 256, this times this is negative 48u, this times this is minus 32u, this times this is plus 6u square. Then in the next step, from this 6u square, in here u square, we take u square into 6u square, so this minus this, it will be 5u square. Then we deal with this coefficient of u, 48, negative 48u, negative 32u, it will be negative 80u. Then from this constant, we take this into this side, so 256 minus 116, it will be plus, in here it will be 0, then 4, then 1 is equal to 0. Now from this quadratic equation, it is divisible by 5, so we'll divide by 5 in both sides. So this divided by this is u square minus 80u divided by 5, it is here to be 1, left with 3, 30 divided by 5, it is 6u, then plus this, it will be 2, left with 4, 40 divided by 5 is 8, is equal to 0. Now from this quadratic equation, it can be solved by grouping and factorization. So it will be u square, then because the product is 28 and the sum is negative 16, so this negative 16u is same as negative 14u minus 2u, then plus this 28 is equal to 0. Then from here, u is common, we take out of bracket, this divided by this is u, this divided by this is negative 14 bracket. In here, negative 2, we take out of bracket, this divided by this is u, this divided by this is negative 14, bracket is equal to 0. Then from here, u minus 14 is common, so we take u minus 14, bracket out of bracket, this divided by this is u, this divided by this is minus 2, bracket is equal to 0. Then from here we have two solutions, whereas this first solution, u minus 14 is equal to 0, and this second solution, u minus 2 is equal to 0. Then in here, we'll take negative 14 to the right side, it will be u is equal to 14. And also in here, we'll take negative 2 to the right side, it will be u is equal to 2. Then after get the values of u, we recall. Before we let u is equal to, from here in this step, we let u is this xy. So from u is xy. So it will be, in this solution, it will be xy is equal to 14. And from also in here, in this solution, it will be xy is equal to 2. Then by using this equation, we will compare with the first equation, whereas the first equation, it is this x plus y is equal to 4. So in here, x plus y is equal to 4, and also in here, x plus y is equal to 4. Then in the next step, we'll find x minus y, so as you can get, in the first step, we'll find x minus y. From here, these two equations, we'll find x minus y, and also here we'll find x minus y. Then from this x plus y with x minus y, you can get the values of x and y. Now from these two equations, we'll apply algebraic rule, which is x plus y bracket square minus x minus y bracket square is equal to 4xy. So in here, x plus y is 4, so it will be 4 square minus this x minus y bracket square is equal to 4 times x times y, it is this 14. So it will be 4 square is 16 minus x minus y bracket square is equal to, this time this is 16, go with 1, this time this is 4 plus 1 is 5. Then in here, we'll take this into this side, so it will be minus x y bracket square is equal to 56 minus 16 is 40. Then we divide by this negative to be positive, here it will be negative. Then we'll apply square root in both sides, so this square root you cancel square, then it will be x minus y is equal to plus or minus square root of 40 is 4 times 10 times negative 1. Then it will be x minus y is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 10, then square root of negative 1 is I. Now from here, I'll get the value of x minus y is this imaginary solution. Then we'll compare with this x plus y is equal to 4. So from x plus y is equal to 4, then from here we can get the values of x and y from this when we solve by simultaneous equation. Now from this step, in this second solution, we will apply this same rule, which is x plus y bracket square minus x minus y bracket square is equals to 4xy. So x plus y bracket square. X plus y is 4 in this second solution, so it will be 4 square, then minus x minus y bracket square is equal to 4 times xy is 2, so times 2, then it will be 4 square is 16 minus x minus y bracket square is equal to 4 square, 4 times 2 is 8, then it will be this we take into this side and this 8 into this side, so it will be 16 minus 8 is 8 is equal to, this will be positive, so it will be x minus y bracket square. Then in the next step we will apply square root in both sides, so this square root will cancel square, then it will be x minus y is equal to plus or minus square root of 8 is same as square root of 4 times 2. Square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 2. Then from here x minus y we compare with this, x plus y is equal to 4, so x plus y is equal to 4. Now from here we get this simultaneous equation and this simultaneous equation. Now we can get here x and y. From here to get in here we have two solutions. Now let's start to deal with this first, this simultaneous equation, whereas in here when x minus y is equal to positive 2 square root of 10i and x plus y is equal to this 4. And another solution is when x minus y is equal to negative 2 square root of 10i. So in here negative 2 square root of 10i. Then x plus y is equal to 4. Then from here to solve from this solution we'll add these two simultaneous equations. So this plus this, it is 2x. This plus this is 0, so it will be equal to this plus this is 4 plus 2 square root of 10i. Then we divide by 2 in both sides, so this and this will cancel, then it will be x is equal to this divided by this is 2 plus this divided by this is square root of 10i. Now from here we get the value of x. Now to get the value of y, from this x plus y is equal to 4, so to be y is equal to 4, we take x into the right side, so to be minus x, then it will be y is equal to 4 minus x, which is this, to be bracket 2 plus square root of 10i bracket. Then from here it will be y is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. Then in here it will be negative, so negative square root of 10i. So in here we get the value of y. Then in the next step, we already get the value of x and this value of y from when x minus y is positive imaginary number, and from here when x minus y is negative imaginary number, so we will add these two simultaneous equations. Then it will be this plus this is 2x, this plus this is 0 is equal to this plus this, it will be 4 minus 2 square root of 10i. Then in here we divide by 2 in both sides, so this and this will cancel, then it will be x is equal to this divided by this is 2, this divided by this is minus square root of 10i. Then to find value, we already get the value of x. To find the value of y, from here, which is y is equal to 4 minus x, then it will be y is equal to 4 minus x is this, so it will be bracket 2 minus square root of 10 I bracket. So it will be y is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. Negative and negative, it will be positive square root of 10i. So from here we already get the first value of x comma x1 y1 is equal to x1 is this, which is 2 plus square root of 10i, comma y1 is 2 minus square root of 10i. Then x2 comma y2 is equal to x2 is this 2 minus square root of 10i, comma y2 is this, which is 2 plus square root of 10i. So these are the values of x and y, which are imaginary solution, whereas you can see they exchange the values, 2 plus square root of 10i in x in y, in here in y in x. So these are the values which are imaginary solution, imaginary numbers from the first solution. Now to solve again from here, from this step, in here we solved in this step, which is imaginary. This is imaginary solution. Now to solve from here, we'll get the real solution. Now from, let's write here, in here we have two solutions. When it is positive, it will be x minus y is equals to 2 square root of 2. So x minus y is equal to 2 square root of 2, and the other solution, x plus y is equal to 4. And the other solution is x minus y is equal to, in here when it is negative, it will be 2 square root of 2, and x plus y is equal to 4. Then to solve again from here, we will solve by simultaneous equation by elimination. We will add the two equations. X plus x is 2x, this plus this is 0 is equal to this plus this, it will be 4 plus 2 square root of 2. Then in here we divide by 2 in both sides, so this and this will cancel. Then it will be x is equal to this divided by this is 2 plus this divided by this is square root of 2. Then to find y, from here it will be y is equal to 4. We take x into the right side, so it will be minus x. Then it will be y is equal to 4 minus x, which is this, so it will be bracket 2 plus square root of 2 bracket. Then it will be y is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. Then here it will be negative square root of 2. Now get the value of x and y. And from here we add the two simultaneous equation. By elimination, this plus this is 2x is equal to this plus this is 4 plus square root of 2. No, this in here it was 2 square root of 2. In here it is negative because we had two solutions, plus or minus 2 square root of 2. So in here it will be 4 minus, in here it is minus. Then we divide by 2 in both sides, this and this will cancel. Then to be x is equal to 2. In here it is negative 2 square root of 2. So this divided by this is to be this and this will cancel, square root of 2. Then y is equal to 4. We take x into this side, so it will be minus x. Then it will be y is equal to 4 minus x, which is this to be 2 minus square root of 2 bracket. Then to be y is equal to this minus this is 2, negative and negative to be positive, square root of 2. Now from here x, y, so the less this is to be x3, y3 is equal to x3 is 2 plus square root of 2 bracket y3 is 2 minus square root of 2 bracket. Then x4 comma y4, it will be equal to x4 is this, which is 2 minus square root of 2 comma y4 is 2 plus square root of 2 bracket. Now from these two other solutions, these are real solutions. Now the values of x, this is value of x same as this value of y, and this value of y same as this value of x. So these are all the four values of x in this our x and y in this our problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.